take these notes in your writer's notebook on your verb page, all right? A verb must agree with its subject and number. And if it's a singular subject, or excuse me, if it's a singular verb, the verb ends in S. If it's a plural verb, it does not end in S, which is different from nouns, right? Nouns, singular, do not end in S. Plural, they do, most of them end in S. Not the case with verbs. The example for your verb page is the player, singular, shoots the puck, plural. The verb is plural. Nice shot. And here's the opposite. If we have a plural subject, the defenders, we have the singular verb, watch him score. Pretty easy notes today, right? Well, pretty easy work too. Find page 747 if you need to in your English textbook. If not, just take it from here. You're going to rewrite these sentences using the form of the verb that agrees with the subject. So you're going to choose either fall or falls, depending on whether the subject is singular, as it is in this case, or if it is plural. Remember, if it's singular, you choose the plural verb. All right? So just rewrite each sentence, putting the right verb in there, and then once again, write a sentence of your own using your own verb that agrees with its subject in number. And add these answers, add these problems, right underneath where you left off on your Sharks grammar page. Okay? All right, I hope I'm making that clear. Notes go in the writer's notebook. These problems go on a separate piece of paper.